Happy Sunday, everyone. I currently am at church. This is my church, nature. Out here soaking it all in. The silence out here is so soothing and so satisfying. So just out here while my friend Derek is playing disc golf. We how beautiful these flowers are, desert flowers or forest flowers are. Just out here, it's very zen, very peaceful, very satisfying, very fulfilling, and the nourishment that I need. This is my medicine. Nature at its finest. Look at, there's no one there, no one there, no one there, and no one there. So it's just me. Hopefully I'll find my way back out of here because this trail's not that well marked. And the one thing I'm not good at directions. So getting better, but not exactly my strong suit, finding my way around. So hope you guys are doing well, having a great Sunday, and I wish you love and happiness wherever you may be. And hopefully you are recharging to go into the new week, whatever that means for you. Love and light to you all. YouTube channel, as you know, Where is Joe? Any day, anyone's guess, somewhere new and different every day. So Where is Joe? Please like, subscribe, and share, and be on the lookout for new content. So love sharing the journey with you. Hope you guys are living a life that you want to be living, not a life that you feel like you have to be living, because there's a big difference. So that's it. Peace. Love you.